you wake up in the middle of the night gasping for air, you might have something called obstructive sleep apnea, where there's a physiological disconnect between your soft palate and your uvula. Additionally, sleep apnea is very prevalent in overweight individuals. Maybe you're wearing a CPAP and it's uncomfortable. Do you know that most patients get rid of their CPAPs after 6 months because they are so uncomfortable? But listen, you have to take action because sleep apnea can cause stroke or a heart attack that could be fatal. So call us today at the Beverly Hills Cold Laser Center. We have constructed a new methodology that's non-invasive. There's no needles, no surgery, no anesthesia. Using a cold laser device, we can reduce your sleep apnea and possibly eliminate it. Again, call us at the Beverly Hills Cold Laser Center at 424-249-0059.